I hope all of you have seen my first video where I have explained the trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, tan. I think all by this time already you are acquainted with these ratios. Now I am going to show you the trigonometric ratios of some standard angles, 0 degree, 30 degree, or say 45, 60, 90. Now how to calculate? During the exam, most of the students, they used to forget this table, and what they say, ah, छोड़ में ये सब नहीं आने वाला है, and they simply avoid this part. Why? It is because they used to forget the table. Now the question is why they are forgetting, because they are just memorizing it without understanding. Now let me show you some tricks so that you can recollect it very easily in the exam hall. Fine, so let me show you. Now first, suppose I have written 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, 90. I am not going to show for all. Let me show you for 45 degree. Suppose this is a right angle triangle. राइट एंगल ही है भाई, सपोज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यहाँ पे दिस एंगल इज 90 डिग्री, सो लेट इट बी ए बी सी. व्हिच वन इज 90 डिग्री? आई थिंक एनी वन ऑफ यू कैन से दैट एंगल बी इज 90. नाउ एंगल सी, suppose it is 45 degree. I mean, now you say this is 90, this is 45, then what will be the measure of this angle? All of you know from lower classes that sum of three angles will be 180. Since sum of three angles is 180, so 90, 45, this one also must be 45. Fine. Now what I have drawn, actually I have drawn one isosceles triangle because these two angles equal, so these two sides equal. Let it be x, let it be x. Any doubt, anyone? I don't think so. Now use Pythagoras theorem. Have you heard about Pythagoras? Okay, thank God, at least you know. Now AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. All of you know Pythagoras theorem because in this triangle this is 90, so this will be the hypotenuse, and we know square on the hypotenuse equal to the sum of the squares on other two sides. Fine. So AC square equals to AB square. What is AB? X square plus x square. So AC square equals to 2x square. So AC will be, कोई बता सकता है क्या? रूट ओवर 2x स्क्वायर लगाओ. So AC equals to x root over 2. You can write units here. हमको पता नहीं है whether it is centimeter, meter, kilometer, लगाओ units. Once you know this, here suppose I am going to calculate, suppose tan of 45 degree. उस दिन बोला था, क्या बोला था? tan 45 turn permanently black. As we know, turn permanently black. So here this is your perpendicular, this is your base, so it is this by this, x by x. X is what? So you are going to get 1. That means tan 45 will be 1. Let me show you another one. Suppose if I consider in this triangle only, you want to find, suppose sine of 45. We know some, क्या था? People have. People means perpendicular, hypotenuse. Here already we got root over 2 x. Here x. So some people have perpendicular by hypotenuse. It will be x by root 2x. X nullifies. You are going to get 1 by root 2. That means for sine 0 degree you will get one value, sine 30 another value, sine 45 another value, for cos, for tan, cot, sec, cosec. So many you have to remember. Some of you must be worried how to remember so many. Don't worry, cool down. I am going to show you how to prepare. Now I will show the tricks by which you can remember. No need to draw the triangle, no need to take all this trouble. Coolly just see the process. First you write 0, most of your favorite number, so you should not forget how to start. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So sir, why sir is teaching 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? Wait. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 लिख लिया. Wait now and divide all of them by the greatest number. Greatest क्या है? 4. लगाओ 4. हो गया? 0 by 4. 0 divided by 4 क्या होगा? 1. No. 4. No. 0 divided by 4. तुम्हारा पास 0 marbles है. And you are dividing by 4. How many you will get? Nothing. That means 0. Whenever 0 is divided by any number, you are going to get 0. 1 by 4. 1 by 4. You can write 1 by 2 whole square. 1 1 ja 1. 2 2 ja 4. 2 by 4. 2 by 4, if I cancel, I'm going to get 1 by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. 3 by 4 you cannot write, so you just write 3 by 2 square. Can I? Yes. 4 by 4, 1. Till now, any confusion? What I have done? I have written 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine. Then what I have done? Divided all the numbers by 4. 0 by 4, 0. 1 by 4, I can write 1 by 2 whole square, because 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. 2 by 4, after cancellation, 1 by 2. 3 by 4, 3 by 2 square, 4 by 4, 1. Now what we have to do? Lagao square root. Square root, square root, square root, square root, square root. How do you know it is square root? Because here 2 is there, we never write. Had it been cube root, we could have written like this. But here it is square root, so I am just leaving this place. Now, once I get this, from here what I am getting? 0. From here what I will get? This root and this will nullify. So 1 by 2. Don't cancel root and square. Short taraf के मत जाओ, कोई problem नहीं होगा. But never cancel this one and this one. This one is a number, this one is a symbol. Cannot be cancelled. Fine. 1 by 2, ये तो root over 1 is what? 1. And root over 2, 1 is, you can consider 1 square. So it will cancel. So you are going to get 1 by root 2. Here root over 3 by 2 and root over 1 is, because root over 1 I can consider 1 square. 1 square is what? 1. So root over 1 is 1. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. Okay, fine. Now the actual table, how to prepare, you are going to learn. So just listen carefully. I hope it will be 100% clear, not 99. Fine. Now already we got 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. इसको ऊपर में लिख के रख दो. Now you prepare the table 0 degree, 30, 45, 60, 90, because these are called standard angles. Fine. Here I have written sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. After that, just put the values here. 0 यहाँ पे लिख दो 0, यहाँ पे 1 by 2 लिख दो, यहाँ पे 1 by 2, 1 by root over 2, root 3 by 2 and यहाँ पे लिख दो 1. Fine, कोई problem? Just whatever you have written here, we are just repeating it. Now, cos में क्या करोगे? Just place this one here, place this one here in the reverse order. समझ रहे हो? So 1 will come here. This root 3 by 2 will be here. This 1 by root 2 will remain here. 1 by 2 here. And 0 will be here. Clear to everyone? 1 I have written here. Root 3 by 2 here. 1 by root 2 here. Half here. 0 here. Fine. Now for tan, we know tan theta is what? याद करो last day what I said. I said tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Last day I told you. So tan theta का मतलब sin divided by cos. यहाँ पे sin क्या है? 0. यहाँ पे क्या है? 1. So 0 by 1, 0. Fine. For 30 degree, sin 30 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 half. Cos 30 क्या है? Root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. So half. Divide I am writing in the form of into. It will be root 2 will be in the numerator and root 3 will be in the denominator. 2 and 2 cancel. How much I am going to get? 1 by root 3. So here it will be 1 by root 3. Same number divided by same number. 5 divided by 5 क्या होगा? 1. Yes, यहाँ पे भी 1. Root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 divided by half. So here root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1, 2 cancel, it will be root 3. Fine. And 1 divided by 0 क्या होगा? 1. Very good. क्या होगा? 0. Very good. No my dear, any number divided by 0, तुम सर तरफ के मरो, कुछ भी करो, 0 से divide मत करो. क्यों? Whenever a number is divided by 0, you don't know what will be the answer. अब मुझे पता नहीं है, आइंस्टाइन को पता नहीं था, तुझे पता है. It will be undefined. Undefined. I am going to write undefined. Fine. Very simple. बोला था पहले sin, once you have written, you write for the cos. Once you know cos, then you write for tan. Now 10 लिख लिया तुम लोगों ने. Once you have written 10, write in the reverse order. Undefined will be here. Root 3 will be here. 1 will be here. 1 by root 3 will be here. And 0 will be here. Okay. Now opposite of cos is sec. 1 का उल्टा. 1 मतलब क्या है? 1 is 1. I can write 1 equals to 1 by 1. इसको उल्टा करने से क्या होगा? So if you take reciprocal of it, it will be 1 by 1, that means 1. Here, if I take the reciprocal, 2 by root 3. Here, opposite, here 2, and here 0. 0 by, I told you, whenever 0 comes in the denominator, it becomes undefined. 0 का उल्टा मतलब क्या है? 0 I can say 0 by 5 imagine कर लो. तो 0 by 5 क्या हो जाएगा? 5 by 0 इसका reciprocal. So 5 by 0 is undefined. So this will become undefined. Fine. Now for the cosec, again the same process. Undefined will be here. 2 will be here. Root 2 will be here. 2 by root 3 will be here. And 1 will be here. What I have done? 1 here. 2 root 3 by root 3 here. Root 2, 2 undefined. So yeah, in this way, I am going to get the table. Now just see, from if you just reverse sign, then I am also going to get the cosec. Opposite of 0, undefined. Opposite of half, 2. Opposite of 1 by root 2, root 2. Opposite of this, 2 by root 3. Opposite of 1, 1. Clear? Now I am going to show you another tricks. Now I am going to show you the tricks. Exam hall में कोई cheating paper लेने का जरूरत नहीं है. Just अपना हाथ उठाओ, काम हो जाएगा. कैसे? Just see. Now this is your left hand, right hand, left hand. Fine. So you just keep your left hand like this, and you just imagine this is your hand. Here you write 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, 90. Clear? क्या लिखा है? ये 90, ये है 0. Fine. Now you have to remember just this one, root over number of fingers by 2. Now 0 degree यहाँ पे है. 0 का नीचे कितना सारा fingers है? How many fingers are there below this little finger? No. So 0 by 2. 0 by 2 क्या होता है? 0. 0 आ गया. पहले बार शायद 0 देख कितना खुश हो रहे हो. 0 यहाँ पे 0. Fine. Now next one, just see this one. This one is 30. How many fingers are there? 1. So यहाँ पे root over 1 by 2. Root over 1 is 1. 1 by 2. देखो आ गया. 1 by 2 मिल गया है. Next one is 45. 45 के लिए क्या करोगे? Just see. How many fingers are below this one? 2 fingers. So यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे? Root over 2 by 2. Just rationalize it. 2 root 2 multiply by root 2 both. Root 2 into root 2, all of you know. 2 by 2 root 2. 1 root 2 to cancel. 1 by root over 2. So you got 1 by root over 2. Clear? कैसे आ रहा है? Root over 60. How many fingers are below this? 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers. So root over 3 by 2. Root over 3 by 2. And here for the thumb, how many fingers are below this? 1, 2, 3, 4. So root over 4 by 2. That means 2 by 2 equals to, all of you know, 1. Yes, my dear, I got 1. Just see, using my hand, I can get all the values of 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and 1. Just, this is your left hand. This one is 0. Smallest one is 0. You just consider. This one is 90, 90, 60, 45, 30, 0. And then, remember this line, root over number of fingers. You can write here below also, numbers of fingers below by root over 2. You will get the values of sine. And once you know sine, for other, I have already told you the tricks. I hope you are going to implement it and you are going to see how easily you can learn this table. Thank you.